All right, we are here. Flip side's done. It's been insured for like 2 weeks now. So I'm just gonna go over everything that we did this winter and kind of catch you up on what the build looks like right now. It's beautiful here today, so it's been nice. We went to the park, we hung out, I finished a wrap job. You probably saw a glimpse of it in the back. But yeah, here's the car. Boom. So obviously I have, where are we? A new badge. I did that one just to match. We've got the new wrap color. It's Tiny Bots Gloss Mint. We did arrow all the way around. So that's your front. It's like a big fin that sticks up. I had to put the splitter rods in there. The front just dipped down too much. I was worried about the wind grabbing it, and that would just be bad. What else did we do? I put thin black lines of silicone around like any of my body pieces, so like my front lip and my wide body. So I have it, well, I have one taped off. So this is how you get like a super clean look with silicone, is if you put the tape on either side and you run your bead in the center, you leave it like 30 seconds or so to sit up, and then you pull the tape off. It gives you like a super crisp line. We've got the wide body. So far so good. My spikes haven't come out nor blown off like Jordan thought they would. There's that line again that I was talking about. Super simple. You just put like a line of tape on each side, run your silicone bead, and then rip the tape off, and it leaves like a nice perfect line. We got my work VSSS's. They are 17-inch faces with a 18-inch barrel and lip. So they're called the step barrel, if you don't know. I love them. I think they suit the car really, really well. What else can I say? They're 10.5 in the front. They're 13 in the rear. We're running, this isn't aired out all the way. I can't air out fully in my driveway, as you'll see.
Well, we can't quite fully air out in the driveway. It's close. It started pushing up on the support rods here, so it's not worth going all the way to the ground, but what the heck's this? We got kids hanging out of the window. Coolest kid at school getting picked up in that.
Every day someone asks them what it is. So we're running probably about 5 degrees in the front for camber, and then when it's fully aired out, we're right around 16 degrees. 12. Okay. 16 was the first try, but to get a better fitment, we went with 12. Like I said, I've got photos and stuff, other videos where it is actually aired out that I can show you. We've got my side splitters. Oakley's been riding in the front seat. Oh, okay, so my interior, obviously wrapped pieces, but I gotta change something, so hold up. There, that's better. So we got some pieces powder coated by Kelver Coatings out of Vernon. I love the way they turned out. The white is actually glow in the dark, so I will show you what that looks like too. I've got some pieces under my hood as well. We'll sleek some clips in here of that. There is the glow feature. So this is what it looks like when there's kind of light on. Got my charge pipe done too. Oh, that makes a big difference. So that's daylight. We're gonna charge it up with my handy dandy black light. And then I'll show you the glow. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I'm just going really bright tonight. I need to figure out some sort of lighting system for under my hood to keep it constantly charged. Because that is badass. We've got my new seats, which are extremely comfortable. I love them. And my rear arrow. So I went for like a dragon fin. People call it a spider web. Just something to kind of keep the spike theme going. I haven't decided on a rear diffuser yet, so we're just gonna leave it. Just be the side spikes. All my spikiness. We overlaid the trunk in a carbon. It was our first attempt ever at like a big piece, and it actually went not bad. There was a whole lot of sanding that happened, but overall it turned out really well. We got the Reckless Garage YouTube on the back. More spikes. Yeah. There is one more thing that I did this winter that I forgot to show you. So, we redid my trunk. And we have lights. So
I got rockets.
So mine's running and insured.
Yeah. That's one.
Sally is still sitting.
She's getting there, okay? She's being a moody. Yeah.
So yeah, Jordan had to order a slave cylinder for his clutch. That's here, so we're hopefully gonna install that this weekend.
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. We have some rear diffuser parts to build for him. And then I think it's pretty much good to go. But yeah, that's us. That's where we're at.
I'll catch you guys up on it. I promise. Stupid dog. Between getting the Genesis out so that we could have a second vehicle again, and now the wrap job showing up, it's been hectic.
Yeah.
So, it's almost done. I've got to have it together this weekend for dynamic. So, I've got big news loading. I will fill you in as soon as I can. But as of right now, I got big news loading.
And on that note, we'll catch you next